So in this tutorial, I'll be create a simple Python app with Python Kivy module, and this will be ellipses, colorful ellipses game app. So let's dive in. First, I have to say from Kivy.app import app. So next up, I have to say from Kivy dot, and this will be widget, and then import widget. Next up, I have to say from Kivy, sorry, Kivy dot graphics, then import color, also ellipse, right? So we got a import everything what all we need, and these are the first we have import the Kivy.app. Then from the Kivy app we have import the app. Then from Kivy.uix widget we have import the widget, and next one is from Kivy.graphics we import a color and ellipse. Okay, so now it's time to create our class my paint widget, and here I'll be inherited the widget, right? Next up, I'll create a function here. In this function I will give it a name on touch, right? On, sorry, not this one, this one, on touch down. And here I will use two arguments here. First one will be self, sorry, self, then second one will be touch, right? So now here I will create a width, and then self dot canvas. Next, so I'm going to use the RGB color here, and this will be pink color, and you can change the color. And so for pink 1 1 there will be 0, right? So next up I'm going to create another variable. In this variable I want to store a size of our dot, ellipse dot. So this will be d dot, and I want to give it a 50. So next, say ellipse, and inside of this ellipse I have to say pause, then equal, then this one, parentheses. Now let's use our argument here, touch dot x minus d divide 2. Okay, then touch dot y minus d divided into 2. Next up I want to set the size of our dot. Remember, we have stored a 50 on the d variable. We're going to use this one. So here I'll be, sorry, there has to be equal here. Okay, now I want to set d, then d. So we want the second time, right? So next up, come here. I'll create another class here. This will be class, wait, class my paint app, and here I will be inherited the app. So app, then here I'll be create another function. This will be div build, and I'll be inherited the self. Okay, self, then this one colon, and under this function I'll be return my paint widget. So return, sorry, my paint widget, right? Now it's time to call our whole program with if statement. So if name double equal, then the quotation, and this will be now call the my paint, sorry, paint app, right? Give it a parentheses and dot. This should be closer with this one. Run. So everything is looks good to me. Maybe there's no problem here. So let's run it. Oh, error. I think we're going to get an error. Okay, what's that error? Move on, move on, move on. The color is not defined, right? So color is not defined. Let me see. Okay, where's my color? So now it's working. Yeah. You know. So this is the project that, and if you want, you can increase the size of it. Also, we can change the color of it. So let's try with this one. So I want to change the color, RGB color, to be 250. Sorry, 250, and this one. Let's run this. So it becomes white, right? So I want to set the different color here. 0, 0, and 225. And also want to increase the size of it. So let's 400. Woo! You see? This looks really nice. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and do practice with me. Okay? Bye bye.